Hi, I'm James Kelly, the General Manager of Digital and Member Acquisition here at CareSuper. Managing your super online is easier when everything you need is in the one place. That's what the CareSuper app is designed to do. With the app, you can check your super balance, track contributions, and see recent activity all in the one place, giving you a clear view of where your super stands. You can also update your details like your address or email, so your account stays current as life changes. If you've changed jobs over the years, you may have more than one account. Your CareSuper app can help you combine your super into one account, making it easier to manage and helping to avoid multiple account fees. Before combining your super accounts, you should consider your personal circumstances and if it's right for you. With a secure login, the CareSuper app offers a simple and safe way to manage your super at home, at work, or on the go. If you haven't downloaded the CareSuper app yet, now's a great time to get started.